Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new, make sure you hit subscribe and you like this video because this video is basically my walkthrough, not my walkthrough, it's my whole journey of rebuilding the car and after its whole paint process. So last time you saw what did we do? We did some more moldings, we did some trim on the car or whatever. So today what I'm going to be doing is we're going to be adding some more molding or some more weather stripping around the door because we didn't do that last time. I pushed the car outside a little bit so we can open the doors wide open, put the new weather stripping around the doors. I'm going to be hard mounting the side skirts now. So I have new clips for the side skirts, brand new screws. I still don't have my lips. Like, getting a little aggravated with that. They forgot to paint the lips when they painted the car. So I left the lips. I'm still waiting for them, so I can't hard mount the bumper or the front or rear bumper yet because I have to take it off to put the lips back on it. But we can do this, and I'm probably going to do a real deep cleaning on the interior because it just has body shop dust everywhere. Part numbers. Everybody loves part numbers. So here's the part numbers for left and right side of the doors, the door weather stripping. I don't remember what side goes where. So the weather stripping, let me show you which one because it's not the inside one. So when you're looking at the door, it's not this one right here, it's the one that goes around it on the outside, so it'll fit in this channel right here, and then when you close the door it'll actually like stick out this way. Those are the new ones that I got. Next to that, again, like I said, brand new screws for the side skirts, brand new clips for the side skirts, make sure those hold good. And these little guys right here I want to show you. This is the website, ps.2. These are what they call keyhole covers. You know, I'm gonna put these on first, and they're for S2000s, but they work on RSXs, and I'm pretty sure almost any other Honda. What they do is they cover the keyhole, and I got these in black. They come in OEM S2000 colors, so it's not matching the black that I got, but it's very, very close. So I'm gonna show you how easy these are to install and how much cleaner they make it. So since my car was repainted, in my case, Mako just sprayed over the little door lock right there where you would put your key in. But if that wasn't sprayed over and you wanted to match your body color or get something close to it, all it is, it's a little key cover, just like that. As you guys can see it. It's so tiny, you just push it right in, like if you were putting a key. And that looks so much cleaner. I'm not even in camera. So much cleaner. And that's what it looks like. It's just a little key cover. And I love it. I love subtle touches like that. This was actually a recommendation from my buddy Jay. You guys know Jay. He had them on his car, and I saw it. I'm like, yo, where'd you get those from? Because I like that. So he told me about this. Again, here's the website. You guys can just find them right there. And they're only in S2000 colors. But I think you can get it raw, I believe. And if you have a custom color, you can just, you know, spray it real quick and it'll match your paint. So if you do get some from these, let them know that Jay and I sent you guys there. Let's see if we get some credit for this. So with the side skirt uninstalled, you can see these are the clips I was telling you about that we're going to be replacing. These are the original ones. Some of them are broken, as you can see right there. It's just, why not replace it with some fresh ones? So I just got this kit off of Amazon right here. I'm going to be replacing all of these clips. Pop the side skirt back in and then put brand new screws that we had over there to screw the side skirt in, and this is going to be mounted like completely solid mounted, and we don't have to touch it again. Alright, so it's the next day and I've just spent so far good maybe hour and a half of the morning stripping all the paint, or most of the paint, off of my front calipers. So what I'm doing is I'm changing the color of the calipers from red to black. It's just going to look better with the wheel color that I've gone with. Now you guys have already seen the wheel color, obviously. Like I said, the reveal video is coming out before these, so it's not like really nothing to hide. The wheels are right there, but you just haven't seen them in the videos yet. So I'm gonna do black. Now I'm kind of just, I don't want to say I'm rushing it, but I'm not like getting real crazy about trying to get all the red paint off, because when I painted these calipers off the car, hanging, spray paint. Like I did a pretty good job, and they held up okay because it's hard to take this paint off right now. I'm going to be using another paint system. I don't want to spray paint. I don't want to take the calipers off. I just want to throw some black over them for the time being. Paint kit that I'm using it's this G2 caliper paint. So it's a brush-on paint. What you get with it is, I mean, they give you a can of brake clean. You get your paint, and then they give you the hardener right here. It's the reactor. So what you would do is you have to kind of use this whole thing, because once you mix this reactor with this paint, this is only good for, I think, maybe 48 hours at most. And the amount of paint and reactor they give you is meant to be used in one shot. So like you can't take, I mean, unless you're really measuring it, take some paint out of here and only a little bit of reactor, but this is like a one-time use. Then you get a mixing stick and some other stuff. It looks like some sandpaper. So this is just a brush on paint to just get some kind of look. So here's what the calipers look like right now, or the front too. The other side looks just exactly the same. I just used the wire wheel to kind of get all the paint off. You can see little areas where there is some red. The wire wheel couldn't really get in there. Like I said, I'm not going to go crazy about this because I just want to throw some black paint over here, and I only wanted to get where you would see. So like all on the back, I'm not even bothering. Just going to throw some black over this and it'll be fine. These are base calipers, if you guys didn't know, because I run 13-inch wheels for racing. I needed to use base rotors and calipers. They're fairly inexpensive. I think what I'm going to do over the winter probably, I'm going to buy a new set of calipers, send them off to my buddy at Quick Strip, have him powder coat front and rear calipers for me, and that's it. Then I'll replace it and it'll look fresh. But for now, I just got to paint these so I can get this to the video shoot. I'm going to just give you guys a quick rundown on how this works. It's very self-explanatory, but in case some people are visual, here you go. So this is like literally filled about right here, the paint. It's only halfway full. Thought they would have gave you the whole thing, but whatever. I shook this really good before I popped it open. So all we're going to do now is pour this reactor all in here, mix it around, and you're ready to use this. So for this, I'll just give it a little shake. So that's it. It's not much, but I would suggest don't start this until all your calipers are prepped to be painted. So now we're just going to mix this, I don't know, for about a minute. And then you just start brushing on. So this is only after one coat, as you can see. I like this paint because it brushes on so nice. And as long as you really get all the paint off and you prep it very well, the paint sticks very nicely. So this is just one coat. I might put one more coat on it, and that's it. The only red you see is behind the caliper. Like I said, I ain't worried about that because you're actually not going to see it, but that's the only red that's left. I got enough coverage all around the caliper to give it the illusion that the whole thing is black. So while I let the paint dry on the calipers, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just throw the bumper on. I need to get the bumper on it. I've had it on the roof under a blanket, but it's kind of like in the way every time I need to move stuff. So I'm just going to put the bumper on. Before I put the bumper on, I have to reinstall my quick latches. So little tip I want to show you guys that I did with the quick latches because of the fresh paint now. So if you can see on the back side of the quick latches, I actually put some felt tape on it, and it won't focus on it, but you can kind of see it's like this weird thing underneath the quick latch. That's there you go, it'll zoom in. That's some felt tape, so that way when I go to put it back onto the end of the bumper, it's not really going to scratch the paint. So just a little tip I did. Ooh, small victories. All right, small victories. It's just a bumper on, no lip. I wish we had the lip so we could have just finalized the bumper installation, but I haven't seen the front end of my car painted, like looks nice, since like the day I bought it. Like, oh, she's so clean. She is so clean. Once we put that front lip on it, it's gonna look great. The quick latches now, they kind of, they don't disappear, but they flow a little nicer because they were always this gloss on the satin black. But oh, I love it. I love it so much. So now I think what I'm gonna do is, actually Jay is showing up. Jay said he was gonna come by and help me out. When I said help out, he's probably gonna end up doing it because I don't like doing this stuff. So he's gonna be putting the tire letters on my wheels. So how about we talk about the wheels first? All right, the wheels were powder coated by Quick Strip. No one else does my powder coating other than Quick Strip. These are candy apple reds. So in the sunlight, they pop like crazy. I'm not sure what was done in the video editing, so if you see it pop in the video of the reveal video before or not, but they pop like crazy. Now on camera, they actually look a lot brighter than they are right now. So in person, when there's no sunlight on it, it's like a dark cherry red, which is what I wanted. I'm getting two effects with this color wheel. In the sunlight, I wanted it just to pop. This was the thing you see, but at nighttime or low lighting when you're driving, it's just a nice cherry red on the black car, and all the red accents, the red Recaros, they mesh with it well. So what Jay's going to be doing, he's going to be putting on some tire letters, Bridgestone Potenza tire letters. These are from Treadwear. He's going to do that because I don't like doing this stuff. So I think after he does that, that's kind of be the end of this video. Hey, look who's here. Jay's here.
Don't get my hairline, dog.
Alright, well.
10 hours later.
I know, right? It's been a while. He's been here for a while. He actually did 2 2, and he's on the 3rd wheel now. So we're just watching him work.
The first thing they're gonna say is, "Why does he have a mask on now?"
Listen, bro. Nobody asks those kind of questions on this channel.
I have bad gas. I don't even want to smell it.
So nobody asks those questions on my channel. We just watch cars. But look, here's how they look. So he did these. He actually added the red little logo on the Bridgestone for me. So that came out nice. Like I said, I didn't want to do this. I didn't want to do this, so I'm glad he did it. He got them to line up nicely, and he was telling me how they need to line up with the valve stem, and yeah, I don't know how to do all that. So
Yeah, I got it.
glad you came through for that, buddy.
Yeah, man. That's what I'm here for.
So
Literally.
I like it.
I'm actually here.
I actually just put it on the car, and again, I forgot to pick the camera up. It would have been cool to see, but again, these videos are coming out after the reveal video, so they already seen the whole car done.
Oh,
They seen the car done before we even know what the car done looks like.
Car done looks like?
Car
done looks like?
car done.
Car looks like when it's done?
Yes, that. Yeah. I got excited. Like that's what I mean, though.
I'm so excited about the car done look like.
They seen it already before we have, because this is gonna come out
Oh,
afterwards.
so wait. So this is...
So look, all right. So what I'm filming right now is videos after. Once we're done with the car, we're gonna have somebody, do the video editing for me. That's gonna be the reveal video. That comes out first.
Like what I did with the seat, right? Right. I revealed the car first,
Right.
and then I show the video of
Yes.
installing the seat.
So that's what I mean. They're gonna see this before we even
So
see
we're
it.
right now in the past and in the future.
I don't get it.
Nicole's here, by the way, and Leanne. Leanne's Jay's girlfriend. You guys have seen her on his channel. But yeah, I just had to pick this up and show you guys. There's the wheels. So he's finishing this up, and I think after the wheels, I'm done with this video, because this video has been going on for 2 days. What I did yesterday and today.
Mm-hmm.
Looks like it's just dead center like that. Again, I'm not good at this stuff. Oh, and there's no holes in the carbon fiber hatch. That's why he needs to really eyeball this really good. Apply pressure for 30 seconds.
You only get like one shot at this, and then you gotta put like more double-sided tape.
It's like he's covering the reveal for me. I've never seen it with
This
the
is a
emblem on the back.
thumbnail.
This is what?
This is a thumbnail.
Oh wait, I'll do the thumbnail. Thumbnail, okay, there you go. I said recently. Oh, that looks so good!
Yeah, it's good.
That is not getting any straighter than that.
Yeah, that's pretty good. Good job.
Right?
Oh yeah, it looks like you're placing one of the holes. That looks really good, man. Thank you.
Yeah, that's not good. That's,
Damn, that back
that
of
looks
the
like
car.
it came like that.
That back of the car looks so good.
Oh wait, hold on, I gotta get you.
Pimped. Officially been pimped over here, I guess. Throwback. See who remembers that. Wow, that looks so good.